guys, this is Amita Seli and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can convert your PDF file into an AutoCAD DWG file. No need of any software and no need to visit any website. You can simply just import your PDF file in AutoCAD itself. So let's see the procedure. As you can see, I have this PDF file on my desktop and I want to convert this file into an AutoCAD's DWG file. So I'll open this file just to show you. Okay, now you can see this PDF. So I'm going to close this now. So first we'll open a new AutoCAD sheet. Here you can type import and hit enter. Then this is the desktop file. Just double click to open it. And here you have to check these three boxes. Join line and arc segments. Convert solid fills to hatches. Apply line weight properties. After this, you can click on OK. Our PDF is being converted. Okay, now you can see our PDF file is converted into an AutoCAD file. And the best thing is, it will also import all the layers. Here you can see all the layers are imported. Then there is one more way to import the PDF file. You can go to Insert and click on PDF Import. Then you can select the PDF file you want. And the rest of the procedure remains the same, and then you can click on OK. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.